Okay, children, so you might have given a good thought on this diagram. Think and write. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? What do you think? Yes, this egret is sitting on the buffalo because she is getting food from the skin of the animal. So buffalo has lots of small insects, insect trapped in the hair of the skin. So what is happening, that insect is troubling, it must be sucking the blood from of the animal, of the buffalo. So that animal, that worms or the insect was troubling the buffalo, and this egret is eating up those insect and feeding itself, right? So it's getting food from the buffalo. So this relationship is like helping each other. Yeah. So buffalo's skin is getting cleaned up. Yeah, those insects are going away, and egret is getting food. Okay, so this is, later you will learn this kind of relationship is called symbiotic relationship, where both the partners are, they get benefited from each other. Okay, so his tummy is getting full, his body is getting cleaned, so both are getting benefited. Have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. The animal which is riding, that you have to write, and the animal which gives the ride, that you also have to write. Children, if you remember, in 3rd standard EVS, we have studied about all this. So there were, in the last chapter, there were some examples. So if you know, please write down. Which animals do we use for riding? That we all know, the animals which are used for riding are horse, yeah, for the horse cart, tonga, and what is, and more you have to write down. Okay, you can write down bullock cart, right? And bullocks are taking camel cart, camel take the ride. Like this you can write down. Which animal do we use for carrying the loads? Okay, that is very easy, that you can write. So children, this is an activity which you have to perform. Copy the drawing of the elephant given in the next page in the bigger size on a thick sheet of a paper. It should be thick cardboard size paper. Make small cuts where it says cut in the picture. Be careful not to cut off the parts. Fold along the dotted lines, fold the part with the pattern and push them underneath. Cut out the tail and stick it on. So children, you have to make this, color it and decorate it. Put up for the exhibition. So children, you have to draw the full elephant, okay, the way it is there, and then you have to put the dotted line and these lines, and then you have to cut accordingly. Yeah, so it's written, you have to cut wherever the scissors are made. So you can see scissors, 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 scissors. So scissors are made here, so there you have to give a cut. Okay, so this is your activity to make your own elephant, and then after making an elephant you have to click the picture and show it to me. Yeah, so here we are reaching till the end. What do they say? So children, just know why I asked you, how will those elephants feel when they are chained? What do they say? So look at these pictures, read what these animals are sharing with their friends. So they all are friends. Okay, you can see snake, bear, horse, monkeys, a cat, and a pigeon, right? So how they are saying, discuss the narrative sensitively in the class. So they all are sad. Okay, why are they sad? They are saying, the basket is the only home I have. Okay, the basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. Okay, so the snake is saying that I always live in the basket, and I have seen the snake charmers and baskets, so I don't know how open jungle appears, how fresh air is, because I never get fresh air. I'm always under the basket, inside the basket. Okay, then you have only seen how fast I run. You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoe on my hoofs? So you have seen the hoofs. Okay, they are the big nails like thing. Okay, on the both the feet you will see, and there they put the horseshoe, a C-shaped iron shoes like thing, and they fix it with the nail inside the hooves. It is very painful. So the horse is very sad. He said, you don't know how much pain I have to bear. Okay, the another one, meow meow meow, I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Okay, so this is a cat saying, I always run around everywhere. All the children love me and pat me. You see me in the circus dancing and jumping. Okay, you see me in the circus dancing and jumping. Right? Through rings of fire, you clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. Okay, so this bear is saying that whatever you see me dancing, you see me jumping, but I'm not happy, because that I am forced to do that. It's not that I like to do that. Okay, children.